Are you a school, CBT center, or tutorial center determined to boost your students' exam performance? Then listen carefully, because the game-changing solution is here already. Meet TestDriller, the ultimate CBT learning and exam preparation powerhouse, trusted by thousands of institutions across Nigeria. With TestDriller, your school gets everything needed to prepare students for JAM, WAEC, NECO, BCE, and Common Entrance, all inside one powerful app. What is TestDriller for schools and centers? TestDriller is a powerful CBT-based learning and exam practice solution designed for schools, tutorial centers, and CBT centers. It provides real exam stimulation, past questions, analytic tools, AI tutor, and detailed video lessons to improve students' performance. How can schools or centers use TestDriller? Schools and tutorial centers can use TestDriller for class teaching and topic-by-topic revision, daily and weekly CBT practice, mock examinations, after-school lessons, computer lab training, exam preparation bootcamps, monitoring students' performance. What devices does TestDriller support? TestDriller works on Windows PC, Android phones and tablets, iOS, iPhone and iPad. PC versions are especially suitable for schools, labs, and CBT centers. Does TestDriller require internet to work? No. After activation, TestDriller works 100% offline, making it perfect for classrooms and CBT labs with limited access. What features are useful for centers? Schools and centers get full CBT exam environment, student performance tracking, AI tutor for instant explanations, past questions and detailed solutions, voice reading, text-to-speech, topic-by-topic teaching mode, offline access for all students, built-in calculator and note-taking, career and institution guidance. Can schools conduct mock exams with TestDrillers? Yes, schools and centers can run complete CBT mock exams similar to JAM, WAEC, NECO, or BCE. This helps students build confidence and reduce exam fear. How much does TestDriller cost for institutions? Each license costs $4,000, but schools and centers enjoy special bulk discount packages. You can check available discounts at www.testdriller.com/pricing. Can multiple devices use one license? No. Each device requires a separate license activation. However, bulk purchases significantly reduce the per device cost. How long does a license cost? A license is valid for 1 year from activation, and you receive updates throughout that period. Your app does not expire. You can continue using it even after the year ends. However, accessing newer versions updates and new features will require purchasing a new license. Can TestDriller be used offline during classes or mock exams? Yes. Once activated, TestDriller can be used offline throughout the year, making it reliable for centers and unstable network. What subjects and exams are included? TestDriller covers the complete syllables for JAM and UTME, WAEC and SSCE, NECO, BCE, and Common Entrance. Subjects across art, science, and commercials are available with video classes and AI support. How can schools get started? Simply visit www.testdriller.com, purchase your desired number of licenses, install the app, and activate using the provided keys. Our support team can assist centers with setup and usage training. Do you provide training for teachers or instructors? Yes. Schools and centers can request for staff training, installation support, usage orientation, bulk activation guidance. Does TestDriller help improve student performance? Absolutely. Centers using TestDriller report significant improvement in exam confidence, time management, topic mastery, speed and accuracy, overall performance in mock and real exams. With TestDriller, students don't just prepare, they excel. Give them the tools, give them the confidence. Choose TestDriller and watch their success become your success.